Goozooka Rainbow Slime. Yeah. And what Sonic and the Fox don't know is that slime's gonna take over the whole city. Oh, the tragedy. Hey, I heard that. Oh no. He heard. Is it gonna be insane? But I don't know. Anyways, let's get to opening it. I didn't mean what I said, Sonic. It's a tiny little spoon right there. Alright, so. Let's get this upon me. Alright. Includes 1 measuring cup, 1 mixing stick, 1 plastic spoon, 1 clear glue, 1 paint pot, 6 paint pots, 30. Clear glue. It's kind of weird. I wonder if my slime will turn out like the box, the slime on the box, but I'm not sure. Because I looked at the back of the instructions and I don't think it's gonna look like that. Weird. We got this stuff, whatever this is. Oh, I think it's that powder. Got the pink pots right there. I think this is the mixing pot. That's 1 plastic spoon. Bro, we got 2 plastic spoons. Alright. Warm water not included. I'm back and I had to get some warm water. Use a cup not included in your kit and pour 15 ml of clear glue into the cup. There's some safety instructions that we need to cover, so we need to stop. It is important that you do not eat any of the Goozooka slime or the ingredients included in this kit. 2. Keep all the solution away from your eyes. That's why I got these. Make sure to wash your hands well with warm water after and soap after playing with your Goozooka slime. To keep your area clean, make sure you put a covering under your workout. This is what was blocking me from putting the glue inside the cup. So that means you're gonna have to like get your parents to take this out, or your mom or your dad or whoever you live with. So you gotta ask your parents to take this out the top. Okay, so I'm pouring the glue in and I'm trying to get the bubble out. Milligrams. I'm filling it up to 15 milligrams, boys. Alright, it's up to 15 milligrams. Yeah, I'm gonna. Alright. Alright. It was no 35 on here, so I just had to put it up. All good.
Alright, I think the glue is completely mixed, but I'm not sure.
This is like sticky, alright? This is sticky. Alright, so after we're done stirring the glue up, we're gonna like be putting this in, the paint and the cups are sticky. I wouldn't recommend like having your kids stir this up, but I'm not sure.
I'm not sure why I haven't had one either.
I'm gonna pour this into clean up the measuring cup and add half 0.15 G sodium tetraborate into the measuring cup. Step 4. Pour the sodium powder liquid into the glue mixture and slowly stir at the same time. Stop adding the sodium powder liquid while you get the slime. The longer you stir, the more elastic your slime will be. Step number 5, pour your slime into 6 cups evenly. Alright guys, this is getting messy, so I'm just gonna try to get this in there as fast as I can. So I'm going to be scooping the paint up and drying it off. And then over and over again, well, not technically drying it off, but wiping. So it doesn't contaminate the colors. Alright, I'm going to do it. After you finish 6 colors of slime, pour them one by one in a plate to make them rainbow slime. I gotta mix it up. Done. Yep. It's like it's thrown up pink, but I'm making it throw up pink. I'm gonna be getting these out of there, so I'll be right back. Alright. And I put these all on by myself. That's required. And we just finished those. So this, okay, so yeah, whoa. When did you guys know? Just now? Alright. Whoa. We're not getting into that. Okay. Blue is that. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's flying out of my hair. Alright. I want to mix it, guys. Alright. Whoa. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. It's like I have a rainbow hand. Bruh. It actually looks like I have a rainbow hand. So, thanks for watching. Come to the next video, we're going to be making diamond slime. And also, here's a quick question. Do you think this looks like this kind of? I messed up. Oh no, Blue is stuck. We're gonna get Blue. We gotta rescue you. No. But I'm gonna rescue her. I don't want slime to get on my fur. Okay, this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna do it. Never miss a video. Miss a video. I would recommend this because, like, it's really cool though. Like ask your mom or dad or whoever you live with to buy this for you, please. And if you do have money, like allowance money that you've been saving up to buy this, then just like ask your mom or dad or whoever you live with to go to the store and ask them if we can buy this.
What store is it at?
I think we bought it at Dollar General. Yeah, that was it. Like and subscribe and push that notification button and push all so you never ever miss a video. Thanks for watching.